Hey, what's up? This is Shamika with UpscaleLaceWigs.com. I want to do a quick video real quick. I was actually taking pictures of a few wigs, and I wanted to show you guys a little trick. If you are suffering from hair loss, if you're complete hair loss and sometimes your wigs move around and you want a little bit more of a snug fit or you don't want that slippage, this is an oldie but goodie trick. It's an ace bandage. It was a little bit bigger. I've used this twice. For example, I'll show you what it looks like on here on the mannequin. Just imagine if, if it was a person with no hair, you had no hair, and it helps with slip on the wig. So I'm going to show you how it is with and without it. So ultimately, you would wrap this ace bandage around your full head. If you just want to do the hairline, that's fine as well. Don't do it too tight, because it does have some stretch to it. So I know you want it to be all nice and snug, but once this elastic draws back in, listen, let me tell you from personal experience, it will give you one hell of a headache. So you don't want to do it too tight, but you don't also want to do it too loose. So like this one's nice and snug on the mannequin. So you pretty much will wrap your hair, your head around your hairline once. I wouldn't do twice, but once each piece connects, it sticks to the other. So kind of sticks like that. And then you put the wig on like you normally would. And this is good for people who want to wear it daily or who has complete hair loss and they want to wear a glueless cap wig. I'm going to show you what it looks like real quick. Now, this is on the mannequin, right? Now, this is one of our glueless cap wigs. It's a small cap, if I can remember this client's measurements. But I'm going to show you what it looks like on the mannequin. I mean, you can still color it like you normally do a wig cap. You don't want to really worry about this slipping back or anything. So you're going to put this on the wig. I'll probably normally have adjusty straps, but it helps with it not moving like left to right, right? So I'm tugging on it right now. This is just a regular glueless cap wig, and this is an extra small mannequin. I don't know, this might be like a 20-inch circumference. Let me show you what it looks like if I was to try to put that same wig on this mannequin. And if you have your mannequin heads, you can use that around your mannequin head so when you put your wigs on, it doesn't slip. So I'm normally fiddling with this until I'm like, all right, I can take a picture. See how I'm trying to like move it? So you're really trying to get it to where you want in order for it to not move. You want to take a picture, or you just want it to sit on a mannequin head and not fall off. So that's a quick trick I wanted to show you guys really quick, that it kind of came to me recently, and I wanted to do a quick video for you guys to have you guys see what it looks like. If you go onto the YouTube channel and probably one of my old videos, probably from like 10 years ago, you'll see me actually wearing one of these with a wig. But keep in mind, don't do it too tight when you're putting it on your head. And then you can put your unit on and you don't have to worry about it slipping all over the place. And you can get that ace bandage. I think this is actually Equate. So that's like the cheap brand, Equate. You can get this at, any drugstore or Walmart or, Target or any type of those stores, or you can get it online. Just thought I'd share that with you guys real quick as I was taking these pictures of this beautiful unit. All right. So until next time.